Hi everyone, welcome to my training sessions. In this session, we'll see about a JavaScript. What is an JavaScript? Next, features of JavaScript. Okay, so what is a JavaScript? A JavaScript is a client-side or front-end scripting language. Here the scripting is nothing but a programming language to develop dynamic, nothing but a user interactable web applications. JavaScript is a client-end or front-end scripting language to develop a dynamic or user interactable web applications. Next, JavaScript is a dynamically typed programming language. So what is meant by dynamically typed programming language? If you take any type of a language, for example, if you take the .NET, C#, Java, Python, PHP, Oracle, any language, the language is the type safety. But coming to the JavaScript, it is following the dynamically typed programming language. For example, if you want to represent a numbers, you are going to use the integer. If I take a C#, if you want to represent a number, you are going to take an integer. In case of JavaScript, you are going to take a keyword var. So that's why our JavaScript is a dynamically typed programming language. Okay, so there is a no specific types. Everything is a var up to ES6. It will be the before the ES6, nothing but up to ES5. We are going to represent a data types by the var. After ES6, along with var, we are having the let and constant as well. We'll see in the next session, sir, difference between the var, let and constant. How to use the var, let and constant as well as. Okay. Next, what are the features of a JavaScript? Coming to the features of a JavaScript, here you are going to write a client-side programs only, not any server side. So features, the first feature is lightweight programming language. Next one, dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically typed programming language. Next one is a platform independent programming language. Platform independent here is, for example, you are going to use the Chrome, Edge, different websites. Whatever it is a platform independent. Next, here it is strictly following the functional style to develop an application. The style here is the functional style. Next, which is a purely prototype based programming language. Which is a purely prototype based programming language. Okay, so not only this, we're having the asynchronous programming type. So number of features are this. Okay, so JavaScript is a dynamically typed client-side programming language used to develop applications. Next, which is a lightweight, dynamically typed, platform independent, prototype, and as well as asynchronous programming language. Okay, so this is about a JavaScript and which are the features of a JavaScript.